Several nutritional companies manufacture their nutritionals by using tablets. They claim that this is because this is the best form in which to deliver nutritional supplements. However, other nutritional companies manufacture their nutritionals by using capsules, stating that this is the absolute best way to deliver nutritional supplements. So where does the truth lie? Well, in order to really learn what the best delivery system is, you need to get away from all the hype and marketing and take an objective look at the pros and cons of this issue. Manufacturers often claim that since you need to compress tablets, that you are able to place more nutritional supplements into a smaller pill than you are able to with capsules. However, in the manufacturing of tablets, you must actually add non-nutritional binders to the nutritionals in the tablets in order to be able to hold that tablet together. These non-nutritional binders take up space, and most binders, like I said, are not natural substances. Therefore, this argument isn't really correct. Also, in order to form a tablet, it must be compressed under very high pressure, which also produces a significant amount of heat that has the potential to destroy some of the nutritional value of the nutritional supplements. In the manufacturing of capsules, the nutritional supplements are simply loaded into a natural gelatin capsule without the use of high pressure or binders. Therefore, the value and quality of the nutritional supplements placed into the capsule remain in the purest form, without the need of adding non-nutritional binders. Everyone is aware of the fact that tablets also have sharp edges and corners that are the result of their manufacturing process. Therefore, tablets are much more difficult and harder for my patients to swallow and can cause increased stomach upset. It is not unusual to hear my patients complain about having these tablets actually stick in their throat or can actually cause them to gag or vomit. Capsules are just simply much easier to swallow. When individuals who have been taking nutritional supplements in the form of a tablet for years actually switch over to taking their supplements in the form of capsules, they just can't believe how much nicer and easier it is to swallow them. Now, many people do not realize that the standards required to meet USP, or what is US Pharmacopoeia, are actually different between tablets and capsules. First of all, to meet the USP standards for tablets, manufacturers are allowed to place the tablets in an acid medium in the laboratory in an attempt to mimic the environment of the stomach. Manufacturers, however, of capsules are only allowed to place their capsules in warm water. Now, the USP allows both the capsules and tablets to be agitated or stirred to mimic the movement of the stomach in the digestion process. However, the manufacturers of tablets are also allowed to actually place a spike on the end of the plunger, which actually penetrates the tablet so that it can break up much easier. This is really not what happens within your stomach. However, in order to even have a chance of being able to meet USP standards of dissolving within 30 minutes, this is necessary for tablets. Now, since the nutrients contained in a tablet are compressed tightly, it is necessary for the tablet to dissolve completely within this 30 minutes so that all the nutrients are released for absorption. Now, the gelatin capsule dissolves much easier, even in just warm water, and with the gentle movement of the plungers without spikes. Once the gelatin capsule dissolves, all of the nutrients are immediately released and available for absorption because they have not been compressed. In fact, gelatin capsules dissolve within a few minutes, whereas tablets need to be pulverized in an acid media to have any chance of meeting USP standards. The final point that I want to make is the fact that most nutritional manufacturers use tablets instead of capsules to manufacture their products because it's much more expensive to use capsules. Tablet manufacturers, therefore, need to convince their users that tablets are better. This just is not true. In fact, the differences I have shared with you in how they are able to meet USP standards is the only way they can even begin to compete with capsules when it comes to dissolution of their products. In conclusion, Why would anyone ever consider using nutritional supplements in the form of tablets with their non-nutritional binders, high compression techniques, sharp edges making them difficult to swallow, which potentially can cause stomach upset, and then knowing that they are much more difficult to dissolve? Capsules, on the other hand, contain no binders, are not manufactured under significant pressure or heat, are easily swallowed, dissolve much easier, and because of all this, they are more expensive.